What up, guys? Let's take a quick look at the markets. What is going on right now? So, Bitcoin is trading at 93K, almost touching 95K. So, could we see going further up, even reaching new all-time highs? I want to focus on uh, two things basically. So, decoupling and supply shock. But first, please check our partner sideshift.ai. I will add the link to our show notes. But yeah, Bitcoin at 93K, it's very close to the current power law fit. So it's very close to Bitcoin's fair price. And I especially like this power law model. Um, we have added to our site, and it kind of shows what is like the reasonable uh, price target for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is right at the reasonable price level, but it could easily go up further from here. So we could even see like six figures going above 100K. And but this power law model is what I'm following. What is the reasonable price? Um, but yeah, like who is buying currently? So this chart from material indicator shows like well level buying a lot currently. So we have big buyers on the move, and retail is actually not that active currently. But this, I would say, it's a good sign that like well level buyers are active here, and it means that retail still has this opportunity to join later. So when we are seeing now like smart money moving and buying, then when going further up, we could see like retail joining. Then so it looks very healthy. Like it's a good structure, and Bitcoin shows here that it has now penetrated the resistance level, and there isn't actually that much resistance close by. So that's another good indicator. So like uh, whales are buying smart money accumulation, and then Bitcoin's technical side looks very promising. But actually, like the main theme I wanted to cover here is that we are now seeing this decoupling. I also wrote a short article about this on CryptoQuant. I will add a link to the show notes. So basically, what is going on is that there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets, and Bitcoin has been pretty correlated with S&P 500, which mirrors the stock market basically. But what we are now seeing is that Bitcoin is going up while the stock market is weakening. So like this, if Bitcoin now can like maintain this decoupling from the stock market, it's a very good sign, and it really looks to happen here actually currently. So yeah, so decoupling from S&P 500, and then also decoupling from Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is about technology stocks, and Bitcoin is going up while Nasdaq is weakening. So as with S&P, we are seeing here decoupling going on. So this looks very good, very healthy. And one other theme is that Bitcoin is decoupling from US dollar index. So so basically Bitcoin and USD are usually in inverse correlation. So going up is usually negative for Bitcoin, and vice versa. So so now we are seeing USD weakening, and as usual, it's good for Bitcoin. So this is another good sign. So I would say we have kind of like a confluence point of good signals here. So we have a lot of good indicators here at this point happening at the same time. So it's the macro for Bitcoin looks very good. And then Bitcoin is said to be digital gold. That's um, a good argument, and Bitcoin shares like scarcity feature with gold, and actually right now when Bitcoin is going up and gold has been performing very well this year and in 24, we are seeing the correlation of Bitcoin and gold now going up. So as a summary, Bitcoin has weakening correlation with S&P 500 and Nasdaq and the USD, while the correlation with gold is increasing. So you could even say like we have all the stars now aligning well here if this continues. So uh, other things being equal, as they say, like ceteris paribus. So if this continues, it looks very good for Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin could even touch 100K here again. So the last peak was 108, I think, in early spring, and we could be going back to those levels. Um, and other data looks good also. If you look at CryptoQuant's exchange reserves, they're also dropping. So there's this thesis about supply shock. Uh, what is additionally positive indicator. So people seem to be moving their coins out of exchanges, and there's a lot of institutional buying. There's like ETF buying. They need bitcoins, and then we have like um, state level buyers, uh, um, like having their own reserves, and then of course we have MSTR and other companies, Metaplanet. So there's a demand for Bitcoin, and while Bitcoin is hard capped at 21 million units, there is only a certain amount of Bitcoin available, and obviously like the actual number of organic Bitcoins available is a lot less than the theoretical 21 million um, supply, because there are a lot of like lost coins. People have lost their wallets um, along the years, and then many investors are holding their coins in cold storage, like me. So they're not like uh, available. So like the um, supply circulation is a lot lower than the 21 million cap. So yeah, a lot of good indicators here, and I especially like this rising correlation with gold, and Bitcoin used to be since 2020. Bitcoin used to be hugely correlated with the stock market. It wasn't before. Like 10 years ago, Bitcoin was truly like a non-correlated asset class. But then basically when Michael Saylor came in, Bitcoin became more correlated with Wall Street. But now we are seeing this decoupling, and I truly hope this decoupling will continue. And it's a interesting trend to follow. So be prepared. We might see Bitcoin going back to six figures. Be prepared, and I think smart money, when following this trend, that they will accumulate more. Uh, you still can buy cheap bitcoins and be prepared. Uh, that there might be um, a lot of upside to cover. So that's about it. That's my wrap up, and uh, thank you. See you next time.